Foundation. Level Objective 4.4.2 K2. Explain exploratory testing. First question. In your project, there has been a delay in the release of a brand new application and test execution started late, but you have very detailed domain knowledge and good analytical skills. The full list of requirements has not yet been shared with the team, but management is asking for some test results to be presented. Which test technique fits best in this situation? The scenario is the typical definition of using exploratory testing. You don't have time, you don't have detailed requirements, and you have domain knowledge. The correct answer is C. Checklist-based testing is tempting, but it is a brand new application. You might not have a dedicated checklist for that domain yet. Error guessing is more tempting as we have detailed domain knowledge. However, exploratory testing is the best technique to use because of the lack of time and requirements. Second question. Which two of the following statements provide the best rationale for using exploratory testing? A. Testers have not been allocated enough time for test design and test execution. Correct. Lack of time is a good trigger to use exploratory testing. B. The existing test strategy requires that testers use formal, black box test techniques. This is a rationale for using black testing techniques and following the test strategy. Exploratory testing is not a black box test technique. C. The specification is written in a formal language that can be processed by a tool. Having a well-written specification is not a reason to use exploratory testing. Actually, not having good requirements would be a good rationale. D. Testers are the members of an agile team and have good programming skills. Being developers or agile has nothing to do with using exploratory testing. E. Testers are experienced in the business domain and have good analytical. Using our domain knowledge experience is a good reason to use exploratory testing. The correct answers are A and E. Last question. Which of the following is true about exploratory testing? A. Test cases are designed before the exploratory testing session starts. Not correct. Test cases in exploratory testing are designed, implemented, and executed simultaneously on the fly. B. The tester can perform test execution but cannot perform test design. Not correct. In exploratory testing, the tester can simultaneously design, implement, and execute the test cases. C. Exploratory testing results are good predictors of the number of remaining defects. This is not correct. The results of exploratory testing depend a lot on the experience of the tester. This means that even though the results can be used to predict areas of risk, they are not a good measure for a reliable estimation of the remaining defect to be found. D. During exploratory testing, the tester may use black box test techniques. Yes, during exploratory testing, the testers can use any techniques that they find useful. The correct answer is D.